So what are you eating?
It's latte.
Latte.
Yeah, it's a sticky rice. When when it's cooked, and if you want to eat now, you just put sugar.
Sugar.
It's nice. You want to try?
No,
What
I've
you do be
already
doing? I'm eating.
already tried. You know, you can't make people eat stuff they don't
This
like,
is
just like the balut.
Filipino delicacy food.
Delicacy.
Yeah. National.
Anyway, I've got a joke for you, Mo.
What joke?
This guy goes into a barber shop and he says to the guy, "Give me a Tony Curtis." So the guy shaves all his hair off. He looks just like an egg. And the guy looks in the mirror with shock and he says, "Tony Curtis didn't have his hair cut like this. He said he would do if he came here." Did you get that?
Yeah.
Really?
That's what I love, right?
Oh, right. Okay. Didn't think you'd get that. So guys, tell me what you think. Have you ever tasted this? If you have, did you like it? Would you want to try it and then put loads of sugar on it after you eat it?
You can put toppings here like fried coconut there.
Well, isn't that kind of defeating the object?
It depends. You can put any toppings there.
Yeah.
Sugar, coconut,
Lovely, lovely.
fried.
Yeah. I think I'll pass on it, mate. Thank you very much. So when I'm in my house, I can only hear one person, right? And this is the person. This is Mal's cousin, right? And he's not in work at the moment, are you? No,
Hello.
he's not in work at the moment, so he's always out here causing trouble, aren't you? Now, I keep telling him he's the only one I can hear. I could hear him in Central. He's very loud. No, he's lovely. I like him a lot. He's got a good heart, as most Filipinos have, anyway. Well, anyway, I just thought I'd show you him, because I've been out twice to him, telling him to calm down. Only joking, though.
Happy Fiesta, Naga.
Yeah, it's Fiesta today, guys.
But it's sad because
So throughout today I'll probably be doing little bits of video and putting it all together.
it's sad because we can not able to celebrate the Fiesta.
No, there's been no parades, no nothing.
No
I mean,
fluvial procession, whatever. There's no activities.
we can celebrate Fiesta today with food and alcohol, but you've got to be inside.
Yeah.
You can't drink outside or eat
They still
outside.
have a curfew.
Yeah. So it's Fiesta Day. Fiesta Day is today. Sander.
Hi, Margaret.
Hello, how are you? Look, he's got no shoes on again. Do you know how many times I've told him off for that? If he gets cut or anything and he's running, he knows he's supposed to have his shoes on. Look, he's scared of me. He knows he's supposed to have his shoes on, but he just ignores.
When he saw you, oh my God.
Yeah, he's running. So, it's Fiesta Day, and as I've said previously, there's been no
There's a lot of
bands, no majorettes, none of it. People can fiesta, but they've got to do it inside the houses. They can't drink outside, they can't eat outside. None of it. So, Manny's got lots and lots of drink, and Chop here, he's bought lots of ice, because people need lots of ice for the drinks today. You're in trouble, my lad. Where's your shoes?
Get in the house. You go to the house. Get
Where's your shoes?
House.
little monster. So everybody's coming to Mel and saying, what food are you doing today? And Mel's just laughing, nothing, we're going to go elsewhere. We are, I think Ma's doing some stuff today. There's visitors from, where they're from again? Iriga, that's it. So that's, is this Anthony's mum? Yeah. So let's have a look. Hey, good looking.
Minudo ni ma.
What you got to cooking?
It's minudo.
Ooh. Have me some of that, that looks nice.
No.
Right.
Not contribute.
What else you making, Ma? That's Ma what she
Ano pa dami yung paksiw. Paksiw. Fried chicken.
Ooh, chicken? Ah, my favorite.
Tilapia. Fried tilapia.
Tilapia, I'm not so
Right.
bothered about that.
May atsara. With atsara. With atsara.
Sara.
The ano?
What's that?
Vinegar.
Vinegar?
Sausaw.
Let's go and have a word with her sister, who speaks no English whatsoever. She just smiles a lot. Ooh, it's mine. Quick, get that.
Ano ni Joka asalo ni?
Get that side.
Ano ni? Ah, just fried. Ah, that's what my mom said.
Is this my chicken?
No.
Money?
Chicken.
Is this mine? Mine?
Mine.
Oh, yours.
Not yours.
Oh, Money. Money. She made, you know, what's it called?
Buko.
The buku.
It's not good na.
It's not good now.
It's a
She put
Masa kaya sinilak mo ba?
Ooh.
Kalakautro.
she put hers in and mixed it. It's not good.
Mani said you replace.
No, it's not my problem. Not my responsibility. She ruined it, she replaced it. So, why you got makeup on, Manny? What's with the makeup? You trying to look beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So we're getting chicken. It looks like they're going to do something I can eat. Mind you, that pork looks nice.
Mani, mati magadol mani. Ay sumo naman.
Sira mo na ayusin. Ayusin mo natin baby para regalo pa ako dito.
So how many crates of sandmig did you get? It's not sandmig. Red Horse. How many? 4 crates. So that's only 24, isn't it? Jumbo, 24.
No, it's 6.
6.
Each she got 4 crates.
24. Gabos lang.
That's 24.
Dapat na case pa.
Or at least it was when I went to school. This is the beautiful Kelly. Liam doesn't like me. Do you know, he'll come and give me a kiss and then he acts all scared again. So we're just sitting here watching the world go by.
It's a lot of different than the before past few years. Fiesta here, right?
Oh God, yeah.
There's a lot of people walking, right?
There's a lot less people, isn't there, this year? Just like last year. That was worse last year, wasn't it? So, just for a little bit of information, an update on the solar generator. We just got our electric bill. Normally it would be between 3,000, 3,200, and guess how much it was? 1,500 pesos exactly. We're saving 50% of our bill having the solar power. Because when it's sunny like this, it charges pretty quick. It's pretty good. Thief! That's ours. See, first time they ask, second time they just take. Nah, I'm joking. She'll have asked. She wouldn't have just took
Bakal
it.
mo daw candy.
So there's lots of food delivery from the pandas. They're all over the place now. You never used to see it. It's all popped up during this pandemic. But it's still more lively here than what it would be where you are, I'm guessing. Definitely where I used to live, it would just dead. You know, people are, mums and dads are working 2 or 3 jobs just to keep a roof over their head and feed the kids, you know. There was a phrase that started many years ago, latchkey kids, where, you know, the kids would come home from school and the parents were still at work. It's not like that here. There's people here to look after them, you know, extended family, etc.
Yeah.
It's nice to see you put some makeup on for today, babe, anyway.
Later.
Manny's put some nice makeup on. She looks very nice.
Just later.
So Chuck's just been and got some more chicken and some more ice. Because it's a day to make lots of money with food. People buy lots of food today. They make lots of
Yeah,
food.
we're gonna drinking later.
They're going to be drinking. Ma and Agnes and a few others.
Isa gonna
Isa's coming.
present. Isa.
I think Annie might be coming later. They'll all be drinking later on. I'll not be drinking. I've finished now.
Yeah, I will treat you 1 case.
No, I don't drink anymore. Yeah. No, seriously, I don't drink anymore. She's messing. No drink at all, not even one.
About impelites.
No. Nothing. See that kid with the pigeon?
There's a
Look at
few
it.
people buying chicken because some of people they not
Preparing food. Yeah. There's loads of these electric vehicles all over the place. They were lined up near the church down the road. I don't know why. But I said to Mel, if she wants to drive something, get one of them. Because as soon as you take your foot off the accelerator, it stops.
They have single, the red one.
Yeah, I know, I've seen it, yeah.
My mom wants to buy that because she can going to Urban and then coming here.
It's not that far. So we're selling the karaoke because we very rarely use it and it's in the way. It's difficult for me to get me motorcycle in and out. So we're selling that. We had to have it repaired because some of the buttons weren't working, but it's repaired now, it's okay. So somebody said they wanted to buy it, but we've heard nothing from them since yesterday. I would have thought they'd want it for the Fiesta today, but they must have changed their mind anyway because they've not been in touch, so they can't be that enthusiastic. Looks like I know. So across the road there was some people running that and they were selling burgers for like 100 pesos, 120. Oh my god. It started off, they were lovely, they put bacon in it and stuff, and then I'm guessing to make more money they stopped putting the bacon in. The burger sort of shrank, but it was still the same money. When you can go to Angel's and you can get
Angel's Burger.
Angel's Burger, you can get,
That's the local.
yeah, the local one. It's a local franchise. You can get
Chris loves local.
cheeseburger and egg, buy one take one for 66 pesos.
The normal,
and they're lovely.
the regular burger is 32.
Yeah, just 32 pesos and you get two burgers for
If you want
32
cheese,
pesos.
42.
Yeah, cheese is an added price, you know, you can just top it up what you want. They're cruel to them pigeons.
Orange na lanatang.
Mali to ma.
Orange. Yun. Di ba ito kasi naman sa sarong tukabay tehon. Binabakal mo.
Alright, things are starting to heat up now. Meaning, there's 1 or 2 people turning up.
I Isa's not yet present.
She's not here. I think Annie said she was coming. I'm not sure. She might not. They're putting the foods out now. Grace is getting stuck in. Look, that's outrageous. So we've got spicy chicken, the obligatory rice, tilapia. What's that, Grace?
Menudo.
What?
Menudo.
Say again. Say again.
Menudo.
No, I heard you first time.
Tigoto ka lang
Ay! Talaga, mo pala ni Chris. Chris, ha?
So I'm gonna try some spicy chicken. I asked if I could have some chicken libre. Dua said no.
You want to eat? Which one? This one?
Oh, yeah.
Rice as well.
Yeah, but not a lot. You know, don't take a lot. Put a couple of pieces of chicken on for me, babe.
Is that Sarah?
And some of that, yeah.
No, this is for
Hey,
the...
doesn't matter. That's quite nice, that.
You try that before?
Yeah.
You can dip that on the fried chicken.
I'm not too bothered about the fish, tilapia. What's that, Mo?
It's beef.
Oh, beef. Put me a bit of beef on.
It's not good if you're gonna mix all together.
Excuse me po.
Do you know what? These can put on the place whatever they want, and I'm asking for her to put stuff on, and she's told me,
Sauce this.
Jesus, Mel. She's like my mother.
It's not your present. Maybe, ano, it's not...
Nagpipina si Agong. Nagtaon na sila. Kapon. Yun na,
Do you know what? It's really sad that we've not been able to have the full fiesta, you know, the Peña Francia, all the parades and what have you, you know. It's the highlight of the year in Naga every September.
Mali niyo, chicken, mali.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. Aaron, Gladio Atlantean, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlot, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.